To connect Gemini to Gmail, Google Docs, and the Google Workspace entirely, click on this setting gear here at the bottom left corner of the screen, just opposite your profile icon. Click on Connected Apps. In the Connected Apps page, it says already connect your favorite apps for smarter help. We have two categories here, from Google and Other. So if you click on Other here, you see we have Canva, we have Verify AI. What our interest right now is from Google. So you just go on and toggle this on. A pop-up screen will appear. Just go ahead and read what is involved and click connect if you're okay with it. As you can see now, it's been connected. Now to see what you can do with this, you can just click on learn more. In this page here, for instance, I can click on summarize unread emails. You click on this, click on submit to summarize my email for the day. So as you can see, it says connecting to workspace. Now you can see it says here is a summary of your unread emails from today, July 14, 2026. And these are the emails that I have not read yet. It's a very powerful feature. You can go ahead and try it out. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.